Hello everyone. Yeah, first let me introduce myself. Myself, Naseem Khan. I am having a total 14 plus years of IT experience, and currently I am working in Cognizant as a technology architect. So yeah, I'm gonna explain about artificial intelligence for school-going children. This video is for school-going children and the layman user. So I'll talk about how we can make use of it in our day-to-day life and what is artificial intelligence, and we'll talk about a little bit on that, right? So yeah, let's start. So first, the first question comes into our mind that what is artificial intelligence? So first thing we need to understand that artificial intelligence is here to make our life easier, right? So AI is like teaching the machines. We are already using computers, so it is like teaching computers to how to take actions based on the input provided, and it teaches like how to act like human based on the inputs, right? And based on the algorithm it calculates, right, to make the decisions. And it helps computers solve complex issues and take decisions and even talk like us, right? Like we have seen on many virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri, right? And in gaming as well, we are using AI, and there are many, free AI tools which already is in the market, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and we are using it, right? So yeah. Next thing is why do we need to learn AI, right? So earlier, as we used to say that AI is future, but it's not like that, right? AI is here and AI is everywhere. Unknowingly, knowingly, we are using AI in our day-to-day life already, but we need to learn. I mean, why we need to learn, how we need to, make use of it. So in phones, we are using AI. We can see, driverless cars and everything. I mean, so in transportation, we are using AI. In our classrooms, in educations, in our institutions, we are using AI, right? So if we learn AI and we need to, learn how we can make use of it smartly, so it's very useful for us, right? So it's shaping up the future of technology. Now the technology landscape is completely is being changed, right? In health, right from the transformation, transportation, healthcare sector, education sector, entertainment, so everywhere. I mean, and knowing AI helps us understand, how it impacts our life, how it changes our lives. So it's very useful to learn AI, and we should encourage everyone around us to learn AI. Yeah. So next thing, how does AI work? So in the behind the scene, I mean, AI is, using algorithm, and the core thing, AI works on the data. So based on the data, it acts. It acts and it suggests you, right? So AI learns from the data, like how you learn from books and or practices, right? So it uses algorithm to make sense of the information. So suppose if I ask, okay, can you please write an application to the principal? So it uses algorithm and it is the previous data, and then it will provide you the response, right? So there are two types of artificial intelligence, we can say different types, but yeah, I will talk about this too. So machine learning, so it learns from the pattern of the from the data, right? From the existing pattern, from the data, it works. And there are other things that is deep learning, so it is mimicking the human brain to solve complex issues and complex problems, right? So yeah. And the cool examples of AI. So we can say it's a driverless car, right? Self-driving cars. So AI helps cars drive safely without human interaction, right? And the healthcare. AI assists doctors to in diagnosis disease. Like if we upload our reports, previous reports, so based on those reports, it calculates. I mean your chronic disease or any and it even predicts as well. So it will help the doctors to diagnose the patients, right? In gaming, as we know, right? And ChatGPT, we can say ChatGPT is a tool, free tool that we can use And I think I'm sure that most of you are already using ChatGPT or DeepSeek or any other free AI tool. So that understands and talks like you. And if you ask anything, it will give you the response. If you ask anything, I mean, if just change, edit my pictures, edit my video, so it will work for you, right? So what is ChatGPT? I'll just talk about, I mean, briefly, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI tool that can, chat with you, that can solve your issues, that can work for you, and that can answer your questions, right? Help with your queries. And it is powered by a type of AI called that language LLM. So example, let's ask ChatGPT to write a story or write an application later to the principal. So it will give you the response, and you can just edit your school name and your name and date with the date, and you can it's ready to use, right? So how ChatGPT works, that's the questions. So let's ask a ChatGPT, can you create a fun story about a comic or anything, yeah? So it responds instantly with a creative story. So we can, I mean, you can try it like do your homework and learn new things, or or write a story or poems or anything. So you can just download ChatGPT from the Play Store, or then you can create your account, sign up, and then you can start using it. So it will certainly help you in your day-to-day work. And the good and the caution, the most important thing. So AI, we can say, okay, it's a very cool thing to use. So benefits, so there are benefits of AI, but there are certain, we cannot rely 100% on these, response, which you are getting from the AI tools. So benefits is like it makes our life easier, and it saves times and effort. Like we can take, at least 5 minutes to write an application letter to the principal. Let's take an example, right? So if you ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek, okay, can you please write an application letter? It will just respond you quickly, and then you can just edit and put your date, to the school name and your name, and then your application is ready. And it opens up the new opportunity in technology, like performance wise and the quick response. But we should be careful while using the AI, because not all information which we are getting from in the response is accurate. So accuracy, we should, critically. I mean, we should think critically and cross-check the facts before making decisions. Okay, we are using those response. So in short, we should use it responsibly, right? Yeah. And how we can explore AI. So learn, I mean, we can learn programming language or learn anything, like if you want to learn .NET, Java, Python, you just start learning from the chat GPT. Just just write, okay, can you please create a basic Python program, and then you have to just gradually get into it, right? Experiment with your AI projects, like creating chatbots and all. That is the next level, advanced level. And if you want, you can participate in workshops and all, right? So hope you are enjoying this, and you should. I mean, we should encourage everyone to use AI. So it will save our time, time and efforts, right? And it's very cool thing to use, and we should not be behind the time, right? We should stay ahead. So we should use AI. This is for layman user and for school going students. And if you want to get into the advanced, like how we can create our own agents or chatbots, so that is the different topic, right? So yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone.